and I think because of the price tag that this one came with, like let's say usually I would only pay that much money on a Chanel bag, not on a Fendi bag. However, this was love at first sight. This is so me. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Oh, it is hot today. I just came back home from filming my shopping vlog, so if you haven't seen that one yet, please go check it out. And yeah, now we finally do the unboxing. I can't believe that after a year of admiring this bag from afar, I finally pulled the trigger, and I could not be happier because they're actually calling them back at the moment, because you know, if a seasonal piece hasn't sold for like a year or so, they call them back. And you know, there were only a few of those beauties, you know, in the world anyway, because it's a really rare bag. And I think because of the price tag that this one came with, like let's say usually I would only pay that much money on a Chanel bag, not on a Fendi bag. However, this was love at first sight. This is so me. You know, I think there is a bag, like when it comes to luxury bag, there is a certain bag for everyone, any style, any personality, any character, whatever. And I feel like this is me in a bag. I have looked at this beauty so many times. You can't believe it. Like literally, I probably tried this on 10-12 times in 12 months. And now I thought, you know, I'm reducing my collection at the moment a little bit, so I'm getting rid of a lot of bags that I don't need anymore, and there will be another vlog sale again next week. Round 2, part 2. And basically I want to buy some new bags from that, of course, and curate my handbag collection again and not have too much, for example, too much monogram, you know, in my collection, something like that. So I want a nice variety of bags, and I've been in love with this for a year. I cannot believe it that, you know, now is finally the time to unbox this. Are we ready? I mean, everybody who's been following me for a long time since I started, basically, you probably know that I'm so in love with this beauty. And whoa, this is the biggest box ever. Here we are, and I'm so happy. So they had a couple of these left in the London boutiques. However, all of them except for this one have been display models. So you can imagine, like, they were entirely like deformed. I don't want to rip it. How to open this one? Give me a second. So like most of them, they were entirely deformed. I checked Selfridges, I checked Bond Street, Sloane Street and Harrods, and most of them were display models. That's why they probably haven't sold, because you know, nobody would spend so much money on a bag that just looks horrible. And I think you really need to take good care of these bags to, you know, preserve their beauty over the years. And this one still comes with all the stickers and everything, and I can't believe it, especially after I've seen all those other like kind of disappointing bags in the boutiques. Okay, I'm so happy, and like it is so hot. I just want to film this unboxing and then switch out of this dress. Okay, so here we are. It is so me. It is so me. And I think once you see it, you probably know why. I mean, you guys know 80% of my wardrobe is just black and black lace most of the time. Hello. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's open it up. Oh, there we can see something already. Wait, the dust bag isn't entirely open. This is more difficult than I thought. Here we go. And I will stuff her perfectly, and she will... I could not be happier. I can't believe I'm holding her here in my hands now, and she is gorgeous. Oh my god. I really like, I have never, I think, seen a bag that's more me, you know, because it's like black lace and it's floral. Absolutely love floral patterns anyway. And you know, it's PVC, so you can even take it out in the rain. And you know, you don't have to worry. So it's fabric and PVC and leather. We get into that. So, oh, okay. Where do we start? Okay, so this is the front or the back. I'm not 100% sure. And okay, so it is black lace, as you can see, and it has this beautiful floral pattern. These PVC bits, basically, they have different colors. So you can see here it's like baby pink, here's like brownish burgundy. This is like the yellow bits. We have some, I think, some white like clear PVC parts as well, and it is of course with this beautiful golden hardware, and I don't know, can we see it? The stickers are still on here as well, which is incredible. Okay, so yeah, most of the body of the bag is fabric and PVC. However, of course, this side is open right now. Let me open the other side as well. So as you can see, the middle part of the bag, basically where you hold the entire weight of the bag, this is leather. Same with the inside. And the strap, of course, so it comes with a beautiful thick strap. I would not wear this bag with a strap, I have to be honest, simply because it is pretty big. I think it would compare really, really well to a Kelly and a MS Kelly 32. And so, you know, it's too big to wear it with a shoulder strap or crossbody, in my opinion. But yeah, okay, let's take the stuffing out for a second so that I can show you the inside as well. Every Fendi bag, of course, comes with its own little raincoat, so that's always really nice. I don't think anything would happen with this bag, to be honest. But, you know, it's a nice addition to have. Okay, guys, so, yes, okay, now we can actually see where the front is. This is the front of the bag, even though it looks exactly the same. Okay, so how do we know this? The front of the bag comes with this removable, I don't even know what it is. It's not a pouch. Is it a pouch? I don't know. It's basically you can take it out and you can switch it up with different kind of styles. They have like python pouches, different color leather pouches and stuff like that. So because the Peekaboo, of course, got its name from the game Peekaboo, right? So the game that you play with a little baby, basically. So, you know, usually I don't want that to happen to my bags, but a lot of Peekaboos, like at some point when they are a little bit older, this front part would fall down a little bit and you would see the interior. Not gonna happen with my bag because I keep them in perfect shape, but that's where the name came from. So you can basically change the inside look of the bag if you wanted to. And this is the back of the bag, so that's just one big compartment. Exactly, and the front of the bag has this additional little pouch that you can attach with the snap buttons. Yeah, so, okay, I would think let's do some modeling shots. Yeah, guys, so here we are with the beautiful Fendi Peekaboo. This one is the regular size, the medium size. It's called Fendi Peekaboo Iseeu, because of course it is different, you know, it's a different cut. It's not sewn on the inside, it's like basically the Sellier version of the Fendi Peekaboo, whereas the classic Fendi Peekaboo is of course sewn on the inside. It's more like the MS return, basically stitching. So this is definitely more like a Sellier style. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? I mean, yeah, I'm just sitting here with my beautiful Peekaboo and oh, it goes so well with lace, doesn't it? I'm absolutely blown away by the beauty of this. So I will only carry it like this on the crook of my arm, and of course you can carry it as a top handle bag. And yeah, so for anybody who's interested though, it does come with this adjustable shoulder strap, and it's a really nice leather strap and it's a really nice thickness. It's not too wide, it's not like the Fendi Peekaboos, you know, that always come with this really extremely wide strap. I'm not a big fan of those. But yeah, so you can adjust it. This is the longest length. So I just attached the shoulder strap and this is the shortest length. So just that you can see, you know, you can wear it as a shoulder bag, and you know, it's always a good option. I would just keep the strap basically inside the bag if you ever need it, so that you can be hands-free if you wanted to, because sometimes life gets busy, right? So this is an option. It's of course always nice to have a Fendi strap, because Fendi is famous for their straps, right? And I think you can attach that, of course, to any bag. So it's always a nice addition to have. Yeah, guys. Okay, I really could not be happy. I can't believe I did finally still get it. Before they were all cold back and I would have probably never found it on the pre-loved market because it's such a rare bag and not a lot of people actually went for it. It is me in a bag and I could not be happier to have it. Now my collection is a little bit more complete again. I mean, bag piece, yeah, at some point in my life, hopefully. But you guys know I have a wish list and I feel like my wish list is almost got everything, I have to be honest. So maybe I should look towards MS soon, you know, and try and find my first ever Birkin. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little Hand Pick Obsessed family here because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yeah, I mean, this is proof, right? And yeah, I see you again very, very soon. Bye!